Hi guys, how's it going and welcome back. So if you can't tell already, this is going to be the first video in the Adobe Illustrator series. It's not going to be anything fancy. I literally just want to run over the interface with you, show you how to set up your own custom workspace so that once you know what tools you use on a regular basis, you're able to then optimize your interface and increase your workflow and efficiency. There's a lot of tools that Adobe Illustrator provides you for you to use and create designs. But to be honest, a lot of them you probably will never ever use. So it just makes no sense having tools open that you just don't use, because not only does it clutter up your interface, but it also slows you down because you then spend time looking for the tool that you actually want, and there's just no point if you don't use it. So yeah guys, I'm not going to bother with any of these tools over here on the left because I will be showing you what they are at a later date, because these tools here are actually what you use to design and stuff like that. So first off, I just wanted to show you something over here quickly. Up here you've got a drop down menu, and underneath it you will notice that there's a few selections here that you can choose from, which are automation, essentials, layout, painting, printing and proofing, tracing, typography and web. Now what these are, they're workspaces. If I select one in a second, you'll see that I will have a load of tools come up here on the right hand side. If you've not got that drop down menu up there, you can access it through the Windows drop down menu over here. Come down to workspace and you'll notice that they are also here, and they're literally all the same as they are up here guys. So if I just go ahead and select one, we'll go with the essentials one. You'll notice that we now have a menu over here on the right. Now if I click the little arrows up here to expand it, you'll notice that we now have sub-menus just there, and these are basically the essentials for designing stuff like your colors, the stroke, gradient, transparency, brushes and so on. Now I'm just going to quickly delete and close these because I just tried making this video, and when I went to select color it chose a lot of the other options that I didn't want as well. So bear with me 2 seconds guys, and I shall be right back. Okay guys, and I'm back. So basically, to create your own workspace, what you want to do is come up to here again, go to workspace, and then go to new workspace and name it whatever you want. So for this tutorial I'm just going to be naming it as Adobe Illustrator Workspace Tutorial. Click OK. Now up here you'll notice that we are actually now utilising the new workspace we've just created. Now to add the tools to the right hand side that you want to use, go to Window, and then you will notice underneath the workspace section you'll have a load of new options, or not even new, sorry guys, a load of other options that were already there, and these are pretty much all of the features that Adobe provides you to create designs. So I'm just going to select the ones that I use quickly and then show you how to snap them all into place to create your own unique workspace. Okay, so I've got all of the features that I generally use every day. If I just drag them all out for you quickly so you can see them all, and we will start creating our workspace. So what I like to have is my colours at the very top, because obviously colour plays a big part when it comes to making your design stand out from the rest. So what I'll do is I'll grab the colour tab and literally just drag it over to the right, and you'll notice that a little blue line comes up, and just drop it, and that is it. It is now locked into the sidebar over there. Swatches is another colour feature, so we'll grab that over and put that there. So the next one that I tend to use a lot is my characters. So if I just drag them out as well quickly, so I will literally just drag that, put it at the bottom, and you'll notice that it now snaps to the bottom. Next is my paragraph, because obviously sometimes I want the text to be aligned to the centre with each other, so I'll just drag that into the same tab there, just like that. Next is OpenType. Now OpenType, what that is I will be talking about that in a bit more detail in another video, but sometimes you'll get a font that says that it's OTF, which stands for OpenType font. Now what that means is that even though the font looks a certain way, some fonts allow you to edit it slightly by using the OpenType. I will cover that in a bit more detail because that's just confused the heck out of me as well. But it's easier than it sounds, guys, and it'll make sense when I show you what I mean. Okay, so the next one that I like to use is the align. So I will drag that and snap that into the bottom just like that. Now you'll notice that it starts pushing the swatches one up a little bit to make space, and the same for the colour. So if I switch back to the swatch quickly, next is the gradient, we'll put that there, and the stroke, we'll snap that into there, and the did I not bring it up? No, I did not. Where is it? Opacity or gradient? Gradient, just there. Oh, it is up. I'll put it in there already, my bad. Right, so the next one is the layers, so I'll drag that into there. Pathfinder, we'll drag that into there, and the brushes will stick into the colours, and the last one is image trace, and that there is my custom interface that I had set up before, guys. So now when I'm working, if I need to say I want to align something, all I've got to do is just highlight the objects and go right, align, okay, bang, click that there. Now say I want to change something to a red, all I'll do is go colour, click red. Now while there's no colour showing up there, guys, if I had a shape there, the colours would appear, and then I'd be able to, actually I'll tell you what, I will quickly make a template and show you. So if we just grab, there you go, look, the colours are there already straight away. So now say for instance, let's just make a quick square. Nope, that's not the shape tool, that there is the shape tool. Just drag that there so you can see the actual shape. So say I wanted to change it to red, all I've got to do is just go red. Okay, done. Yellow, so on, so on. Now say I want to align it to the centre, click align. I want to align it to vertical centre, we're now aligned. So I want to change it to a radial gradient, there we go, and then I can just click on that one there, sorry, and then just start choosing my colour. Oh, why did that not work? There we go. And then say we want to change that to a white. Okay, that hasn't worked. I have no idea why that's not worked. Oh, there we go. Nope, that's now changed it back. Okay, I need to refresh on the gradient, guys. But yeah, guys, that is how to set up your workspace and how to optimize everything. In the next video, we will be starting to make some more shapes and paths and stuff like that, and that is where we will be learning about all of these tools over here on the left. Once you've learned about these tools over here on the left, guys, you will then basically be able to be like, right, okay, so these are the tools that I need, and then you'll be able to combine the two videos together and create your own customized workspace that will help optimize your workflow, guys. As I said at the beginning, guys, if you've got a little bit confused about all of this, don't worry too much. Once I make the next video, it should all be a little bit clearer, and you'll be able to understand this video in a bit more detail and create your workspace to help your workflow, guys. So yeah, take it easy, and I shall catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.